And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, that line of storm's going to fade away with time. It's going to hit dry air, first of all, more stable air, and temperatures that are warmer aloft. So that's just a more stable environment. And the only thing we're going to get out of this are clouds and maybe an isolated shower or two come very late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And then there's a very weak cold front behind it that kind of skims by us later tomorrow afternoon and early tomorrow evening. That may pop a very isolated shower, thunder shower. Otherwise, we're in good shape. It's just a very warm to hot, muggy day. I'll show you that here in a sec. But there is Beryl, Category 4, max sustained winds 150. And the new model data is on the screen, spaghetti plot. Various models here showing the eye moving on the south side of Jamaica, or perhaps even a little farther north. So bottom line is devastation for Jamaica as the hurricane moves over that island, and then it makes a landfall in the Yucatan as a 3 or a 4. Emerges into the Bay of Campeche and will likely make landfall in northern Mexico or far south Texas. Maybe it's a cat 1 or 2. But the water is awfully warm, so it wouldn't surprise me if it's even a little stronger than that. And there are some questions as to whether this thing's going to turn to the north. The current thinking is that it will drift here into Texas, kind of wobble around, and then kind of move back to the northwest. Now that could be a big flood problem for Texas and Louisiana. And right now, it doesn't look like it's going to move far enough up towards our area. But we'll keep an eye on it, because if it would happen to hit, say, Louisiana or Houston, that could easily get pulled up our way and bring us some healthy tropical rain. But that doesn't appear to be the case right now. 70 to 75 tonight. We go mostly cloudy to cloudy, maybe an isolated shower late or early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, just a warm July night. Tomorrow's a warm July day. It's an 89-degree high. It's muggy. A lot of clouds, something isolated AM. The sun comes out, isolated late PM, little shower. Otherwise, breezy to windy, and there are the 87 to 92-degree highs, and your heat index peaking at 94 to 106. July 4th, looks like a wave of some scattered showers and thunderstorms late morning, midday, maybe early afternoon. Then the sun comes out. I know we may get a few more storms late in the evening or into the night. 85 and muggy after a warm start at 73. There you see those highs in the 80s, and that heat index upper 80s to mid 90s. There is Futurecast. Again, this coming in from the west kind of fades away. Something really isolated. Otherwise, tomorrow's a dry day with the sun and just the mugginess around. Now we look to Thursday, July 4th. This is in the morning. This is like 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. Here comes that little wave of some scattered showers and storms. That's around 10:30 or 11. By 1:30, it's jetting out of here. We get the sun out, and then we may see a few more storms coming from the west later in the evening and into the overnight, and then perhaps a few storms on Friday before we dry out on Saturday. 85 is normal. We'll be near normal Thursday and Friday. 84 Friday, 84 on Saturday, 86 Sunday. And then it's back to the 80s Monday, Tuesday, isolated storm Tuesday, a few scattered storms on Monday, and then we're climbing again well into the 90s and drying out and turning pretty droughty around here once again. And I want to mention, even though we've got some rain in that forecast, all those days with scattered storms, that rain looks pretty hit or miss.